In this video, we are going to learn about properties of multiplication of integers. Properties of multiplication of integers. Property 1. First property, closure property. Closure property. Let us multiply two integers, see their product. Let us take two integers, let us take as example of -3 and -4. Let us multiply these two integers. -3 into -4. Here minus into minus becomes plus. So, minus into minus is equals to plus, and 3 into 4 is equals to 12. We know that 12 is also an integer. -3 is an integer and -4 is also an integer. The product of these two integers is also integer. -3 into -4 is equals to 12. If A and B are any two integers, if A and B are any two integers, then A into B is also an integer. Is also an integer. Here what we have taken? -3 into -4. Let us take this as A and this is B. If A and B are any two integers, here A is integer and B is integer, then the product of two integers is also integer. If A and B are any two integers, then A and B, A into B is also an integer. So, what we can conclude? Product of any two integers is also an integer. This is called closure property. This property is called as closure property. And the next property, property 2. Property number 2. Let us take an example. 7 into -3. 7 is integer and -3 is also an integer. 7 into -3 is equals to -21. 7 into 3 is equals to 21, and here this is +7 and this is -7. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is equals to minus. 7 into -3 is equals to 21, and same like that -3 into 7 is equals to -21. Here also same, 3 into 7 is equals to 21, and minus into plus is equals to minus. 7 into -3 is equals to 21, and 3 into -7 is equals to -21. So, we can write like this: 7 into -3 is equals to -3 into 7, because here we got both same answers, -21, -21. So, these both will be equal. 7 into -3 is equals to -3 into 7. Product of any two integers is same, whatever the order may be. Product of any two integers, product of any two integers is same, whatever the order may be. The order may be. Here the order is not important. Order is, it is reverse or it is in correct order, the product will be same. Here we can see 7 into -3 is equals to -21, and -3 into 7 is also minus 21. So, if a and b are any two integers, then a into b is equals to b into a. If a and b are any two integers, here a equals to 7, b equals to minus 3. If a and b are any two integers, then a into b is equals to b into a. This property is known as commutative property. This property is known as commutative property, and this is the second property. And the next property is property number 3. Property 3. Let us take example of 3 integers. Minus 4 into minus 3 into 2. We can write it as minus 4 into minus 3 into 2 is equals to minus 6. 6 into 4, 24, and minus into minus plus. Minus 4 into minus 6 is equals to 24. We can write this in this order also. Minus 4 into minus 3 into 2. Minus 4 into minus 3 is equals to 12. 12 into 2 equals to 24. So, we can group the integers in any easy combination. Here minus 4 into minus 3 into 2. They have given this. We can group the integers in any order to make them easy. If it is necessary, we can make these two integers as a group. We can write like this also. Minus 4 into 2 into minus 3. 4 2s are minus 4 into 2 equals to minus 8 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus, and 8 3s are 24. If 3 integers are given, if we have to do product of it, we can write it as our convenient way. We can group them in any easy combination we required. If a, b, c are any 3 integers, if a, b, c are any 3 integers, then a into b into c is equals to a into b into c. We can, this and this is equal, because a, if we take this as a, b, c, a into b into c is equals to a into b into c, because we got same answers in both the situations. This property is known as associative property. This property is known as associative property. Let us see next property. Property number 4. What is the fourth property? Here let us take an example. Let us examine product of two integers. Let us take the product of two integers. In this property, the condition is one integer must be 1. One integer is 1. Another integer, it's our wish. We can take any number. Let us take minus 3. Minus 3 into 1 is equals to minus 3. Product of any integer and 1. Product of any integer 1 is the product itself. Sorry, product of any integer and 1 is integer itself. If a is any integer, let us take this 3 as a. If a is any integer, then a into 1 is equals to 1 into a is equals to a. Let us see here, minus 3 into 1 is equals to minus 3 and 1 into minus 3 is also equals to minus 3. So, a into 1 is equals to 1 into a is equals to a. Property 5. Let us multiply any integer with 0. Let us take minus 4. Minus 4 into 0 is equals to 0. If a is any integer, take any integer in the place of a, then a into 0 is equals to 0 into a is equals to 0. If we multiply any integer with 0, then the answer will be 0. A into 0 means minus 4 into 0 is equals to 0 into minus 4. Then the answer will be 0. Property 6. Multiply any integer with minus 1. Let us take 5 into minus 1. Answer is minus 5. If a is any integer, then a into minus 1 is equals to minus 1 into a is equals to minus a. Look here, 5 into minus 1 is equals to minus 5 and minus 1 into 5 is equals to minus 5. 5 into minus 1, a into minus 1 is equals to 1, minus 1 into a is equals to minus a. In the both cases the answer is same, that is minus a. Property number 7. This is distributive property over addition. Distributive property over addition. Let us see the distributive property over addition. Minus 5 into 6 plus minus 3. Here distributive property over addition. So, we have taken addition here. Minus 5 into 6 plus minus 3. Minus 5 into, okay, 6 plus minus 3 is equals to 3. And minus 5 into 3 is equals to minus 15. 5 3s are 15. Minus 5 into plus, minus into plus is equals to minus. Also, we can write these in another form. Minus 5 into 6 plus minus 3. We can write this as like this. Minus 5 into 6. Minus 5 into 6. And here what is the symbol here? Plus. And next minus 5 into minus 3. 5 into 6, 30. And minus into plus minus, plus, minus into minus, plus, no need to write plus here, 5 into 3, 15, minus 30 plus 15 is equals to minus 15. See, we got same answer in both cases. So, we can write A into B plus C as this is in the form of A into B plus C. We can write in the form of A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. So, this is a properties number 7, distributive property over addition. If A, B, C are any 3 integers, then A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C.